Welcome to this short demonstration of FiscoBridge SDC, the smart, reliable, and simple way to comply with fiscal regulations. In just a few minutes, we'll show you how to install the software, connect your smart card, and start signing invoices. Visit the official website, FiscoBridge.com. Open the Downloads page and choose the installer for your operating system. The download will begin automatically. Step 2. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen steps. The setup takes only a few seconds. Just click Next until installation is finished. The last installation window will offer an option to start FiscoBridge SDC automatically after installation. You can select that or finish the setup and launch it later from the new desktop icon. Step 3. If you didn't choose Automatic Start, simply double-click the FiscoBridge SDC icon on your desktop to open the application. Step 4. Insert your smart card reader into your computer and then insert your smart card into the reader. The application will automatically detect it. Step 5. Now enter your PIN code. The app will validate it, and once successful, your secure element becomes fully initialized. All indicators turn green. Your FiscoBridge SDC is now ready to sign invoices. That's it. From this point on, you can sign invoices directly through your POS or ERP system, quickly and fully compliant with fiscal requirements. Thank you for watching.